So, all right, just got back from the gym and I needed to take a trip to the grocery store to get some water. I ran out of water bottles. And so I'm back, and what I wanted to do is share really quickly for anyone who cares what, based on certain reports and things like that, what the best bottled waters are. So before I, can invest in an expensive countertop water filtration system, this is what I gotta settle for, the bottled waters. And so I believe they are in order from good, better, best. And so, as you can see, Fiji is said to be one of the better bottled waters than Voss, especially because it's in glass. Glass is always going to beat plastic. And then the Mountain Valley spring water. These these are the, I don't know any other bottled water that's better than that. If you know, then please tell me. All right, so, but I wanted to show you too, and I don't, this may be just Publix, but any other grocery store is probably not going to be much different in terms of price. So I spent $18.89 on this water. Water is becoming just as much of a concern as anything else that you put in your mouth. And as you know, when you choose healthier foods these days, you're gonna pay a premium for it. And it's the same with water now. It's just ridiculous. So I just wanted to give you that real quick. Just some more information about the choices that have to consciously be made in order to be healthy. You know what I'm saying? And not that you gotta go all out. You gotta do what's within your budget, and sometimes I have to admit, I push it. But that's because I personally believe, and just the way my life has gone, that when I don't worry so much about money, and that doesn't mean I'm just going out and being, crazy with it. It's just that especially when I'm investing in things that I believe are good for me, I tend to think that the well just keeps filling. But honestly, I love the simplicity of my life. I don't need that much, and I'm happy with the things that I have. So anyway, that is my water run for today. And it is after 12 p.m. and I'm still in a fasted state. So I got my workout in, took a trip to the grocery store. I'm gonna hit the shower, and then I'm gonna get my hydration going. I'll probably do the hydration before I get in the shower, but I'm feeling good, y'all. I'm feeling good. I know I told you before, this is not necessarily geared toward weight loss, but I'm still wondering if I should weigh myself and, show you from time to time, the differences. I swear, I just don't want to make this about weight loss, because the minute I step on the scale and I document it, then I'm going to feel the pressure that I don't want to feel, and that kind of stifles me a little bit. So, you know what, let me get into a rhythm, and then maybe that'll change, okay? But for right now, I'm doing my best, just starting back and really just trying to get a grip again. So you're gonna have to forgive me if that's not something that's included in my videos. Okay, so now it's time for my water routine. This is what I do every morning before I eat anything. Okay, sorry, I saw something on the camera that I didn't understand. Okay, hydration first, meaning before you eat anything else. So I worked out, and now it's time to hydrate. So what I have before you is everything that goes into my water routine. First and foremost, shot glass with some spring water in it. And this is oil of oregano drops. I'm sure my morning routine will evolve from here, but this is what I do so far. Then I've got ground ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper, ground cinnamon, black pepper. Okay, here's my spring water here. This is the water that I'm going to put all of that in. Now I got this spoon because after taking that oil of oregano, I need a chaser. So I got some quick maple syrup right here because yeah, I can't. Basically, I'm gonna take about 4 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, right in the water. All right, I'm gonna get my syrup ready. Just enough to coat my mouth after that oil of oregano gets in there, because don't play with me. That stuff, man, it's serious business. And you know, maybe one day I could, you know, do it all without this. But here we go. Cheers to good health. Woo. Lord, that tastes some getting used to. Okay, but let me tell you, this makes it 1,000% easier to do. All right, so that's done. Now, what I'm gonna do is just add little dashes of these ingredients. So black pepper, I filled this too high, but yeah, because now I gotta stir it. But anyway, black pepper, turmeric, which the black pepper helps the body to absorb. So wherever you have turmeric, you should also have some black pepper. All right, there's some turmeric, not a whole lot. Let's see, cayenne. Cayenne's got a lot of, all of this is medicine. All these, you might think this is a lot to put in just a morning water, but when I tell you this is medicine and I have a lot to like handle or to deal with, and I'm not sick or anything, you know, well, not according to my medical papers, but I know that I need to be better. I need to look better, feel better. So in my opinion, and I don't want to say, all right, I'm not going to say I'm sick. That's again, I'm trying to be careful about my language, but because, you know, you just don't want to put certain things on yourself. But what I'm doing is making sure that I take preventative measures. How about that? All right. And here again, just like I told you, I used to use the shot glasses for something different. I used to use these wooden spoons to stir something very different. I love these little changes in my life. All right. So that's it. That's my water routine. Then I'll just sip on this. Wait. Ooh, I forgot the lemon. That's what I knew. I was not tasting something that should have been there. So, y'all forgive me. See, this is a brand new routine, so I don't notice right away what's missing. So we're gonna do this whole lemon, you know, because that'll attack that there. All right. So in you go. Bam. Next, this acid is gonna help to chew that belly fat up. Gotta get it right, buddy. Who knows the movie? I'm such a movie head, an old school movie head too. Anyway, but cheers again. This is it. Ah, that's what I'm looking for. That's it right there, y'all. All right. And that's it. That's my water routine. Right now, I am preparing to juice So I'm gonna use one of these pineapples for juicing. The other one, I'm gonna cut it up and put it away because that's gonna be a meal at some point. So what's going in the juicer is one of the pineapples, a bunch of parsley, about 4 of these mini cucumbers, lemon, and ginger. And that is all done, you know? So now just pour this in whatever glass you want. Here's another situation where I remember filling this glass up with something very different. It was red. Today it's green. Cheers to good health. When you taste that, you will question why you ever buy bottled juice. Oh my gosh, that is so delicious, man. So delicious. Oh yeah. It's sweet. The ginger's kicking. You hardly even, as much parsley as I put in there, it is not even close to taking over. Like there's just after all that, it's just like a hint of it. But you see how much I put, so all those nutrients are still in there. So you're getting the benefit of all that parsley without having to try to chew it up and blah, blah, blah. So, man, oh man, the cucumbers, great for hydration. The pineapple, so many benefits. And I'm telling you, my body is thanking me for this right now. And this is what it's about. Guilt-free eating, drinking, and the rest. And some for later. You know what? Just one of those is good. Fill it all the way to the top. And I'm going to enjoy the rest of this right now. Have my cabinets all wide open. That's it, baby. Easy peasy.